Everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 14th, 2024. Told you earlier, we have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saifa block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, today I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. Alright. The first one I will do is the Sudoku with 3 stars. And the 3 stars puzzle will be number 8719. It's not quite a 3 stars because the 3 stars Sudoku has usually 25 pointed digits. This one has 2 digits more. 27. Yeah. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Is this really a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. We have a 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5, it should be there. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. Which number I can pick. 1, 8, 8, 8. Okay. Need an 8 here, need an 8 there, need an 8 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 8 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about the number 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row, so the row above, only place level 6 should be there. Here's 6 here. In this row, the second row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. 6 could be here, here, or there. Here or there. We see another 6 in the third row, no 6 column, so no 6 there. 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Alright. 6, 6. 6. 6. Oh, wait. 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Then let me see. Need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. We have 7 and a 4 in this column, so no 7 and 4 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. So, we have a 7. Wait. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 7 in this column, no 7 there. A 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 7 there. So the only place level 7 in this row should be there. Alright. Then need a 4 here. Need an 8. 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So here 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4 in this row. We have a 4 in this second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7. 7. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left, and 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Need a 3 here. And I need a 1, the 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Come on. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in this row, third row. 4 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 1, need a 1 here. 1, need a 1 there. 1, 1, need a 1 here. 1, need a 1 here. 1, need a 1 there. 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Alright. How about need a 9 here? And I need 7 here also. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. Could be a 7 there. One, 1. Need a 3, 3, 3. And I need a 9. 3 and a 9. 9, 9. Come on. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay, cannot continue with the 9 now. I need to wait. 2 numbers left in this second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. And look, we have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column. Third column for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright, and now 1, 1. Need a 3, 3, 3. Need a 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, okay. 1 and a 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, there. Need a 3. Need a 7, and I need a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, I only place level 6. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7 cannot. Oh, we have a 7 in this third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Do we have all the 7's? Yes. And all the 7's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Well. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Okay. 1, 4 and the 3. 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 1 and a 4. How about 8 and 8 and... Oh, 1 box left in this row for number 1. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left for the 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the same numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left. The 4 should be here, here, or there. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. We have a 4 in that column, no 4 there. Only place level 4, it should be there. One box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the last column. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 50 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much in the beginning. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not the 3 stars, but the 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.